Nutella and banana waffle. This is gonna be delicious.
Oh my goodness, yes. Yes. Woo.
Alright, so Bor Sang was pretty awesome. Check that out. Some pretty awesome looking parades, all the umbrellas, everything was really cool there. But it's gotten a little too busy for our taste. It is packed over there now, so we're getting a grab. We're gonna take it to the Night Bazar downtown Chiang Mai. Go get some dinner over there instead, pull up a chair, rest our weary feet, and then we'll see how the Night Bazar is looking today.
Right, so we just finished eating dinner at the Night Bazar food market. We just got boring pad thai and spring rolls, so now we're just gonna walk through the market and head home right here.
Alright, we made it in safe and sound last night. Alysha's finishing the editing. So I am on the breakfast run. Off to Mini Big C, go grab some yogurt and see what else I can find. Woo.
Alright, we got out this morning and went and grabbed some lunch at a local restaurant near us. And then we decided to walk around a different way up towards the university.
Yeah, way more laid back. It's nice and chill up this way.
Yeah, so we're just heading back to our apartment now. We're gonna go cool off for a little bit and then get ready to hit the biggest night market in Chiang Mai, apparently, the Sunday night walking market. It's down in the old city again, so we're gonna go see what that's all about. Got our first tattoo.
We are out walking Nimin Road here today. Another scorcher out, must be plus 30 easily. It's real hot and humid, but trying to find some lunch, find somewhere to eat. Alysha is up there Googling away. We've walked the street up and down and we're sweating away, so we're gonna resort to using Google to try and track down a good location. So, see what we can find today. Alright, we wandered around Nimin for a bit there. Got some good lunch in us and it was a pretty cool little area to check out. There was some festivals and stuff going on. I guess being a Saturday right now, there's all sorts of crazy stuff happening in the mall. We ended up back that way. Nimin Road connects to Maya Mall, so went there and saw some kids do a little bit of performing for the circus going on there.
Some of those kids are so cute. They were singing Puff the Magic Dragon. Oh, so cute.
Yep, so now we're hanging out here. Airplane flying overhead as per usual. There's a few live music bars here, so check out some of that. Little entertainment and get out on a Saturday night. Alright, we're off to the local watering hole around these parks. Let's go see what they have in the old established menu here. Join us next time when we go to an authentic Thai cooking class, get a tour of the local market, and pick the rest of our ingredients from their family farm before making some delicious Thai food.
It's me. Didn't plan this out, did I? No, I did not. I didn't expect to see myself either. I was like, oh, this would be a sick transition. Door closed, door open. Here I am, just standing here.
Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. Catch you next video.